Okay, so I'm going to share with you a meal that is one of my favorites. It's called stuffed, or some people call it loaded sweet potatoes. You can put on anything that you like, but I'm going to show you what I'm putting on mine and what I use as a vegan. So this is all the ingredients that's going to be filled up by sweet potato, fully loaded. We're going to have some red onions on there, salsa, which has green onions in it, peppers in it, red onions, some tomatoes, red peppers, corn. That's going to be fantastic on it. I have a variety of beans that will be on it as well. I have pinto beans here and some kidney beans. That's right there. Then I have my shredded cheese, cheddar, dairy free, as you can see. And here is my meat, plant-based, of course. It tastes like beef. I'm going to have that as well. And I'm just going to have the one potato, sweet potato right there. I'm going to throw that in the oven, let that get soft. And then I'll pile everything on and show you how I'm going to load up my sweet potato. Okay, so while the sweet potato is cooking and getting soft, I'm putting the plant-based meat in a pan and stir frying that up. Get that nice and brown, because that's going to go on top of that potato as soon as it's done. Looks good, huh? And I tell you, I'm serious, it tastes just like beef. When I used to eat beef, yeah, this is the closest I found that it tastes just like beef. This stuff. All right, so here's my sweet potato, and it's all done, and I cut it open. Now I'm going to add in all those ingredients that I showed you in the beginning. All right, so as you see, I put on there everything that you saw in the beginning. Everything's on there. As you can see, doesn't that look good? Now I'm going to add some cheese to it. That's going to be amazing, of course. Yeah, yeah. As much cheese as you like. It's up to you. Now I'm going to throw this into the microwave for a couple of minutes so that cheese can melt. And we're going to see how it comes out. All right, so it's all done and the cheese is melted. Tell me that doesn't look absolutely amazing. Oh, I can't wait to get into that. Ooh. My dinner looks so good. I just can't wait to get into it. Mm. Well, if you try this, let us know how it turned out for you. I'm about to go eat this and tear it up because it looks so good and it smells really good. Mm. This is something that's healthy, nutritious, and it tastes so good. So you don't have to have all that processed food or crazy food that makes us unhealthy, and you don't even have to have meat. I'm telling you. You don't believe me, but I'm telling you. It's all good. It's all good. So if you try it out, I'm putting all the ingredients in the description. Try it out. If you do, let us know how it turned out for you. Okay?